This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. I debated putting some cute pink ribbons in my hair because this is our 50 cute crochet ideas video, and I thought that the pink ribbons are very cute, but I forgot and I'm already filming, so now I don't want to stop and go find the ribbons. So just imagine some really cute pink ribbons going on, okay, in my hair, and just work with me, okay? So for this video, we obviously have some very cute crochet patterns. I've been doing some really niche videos recently, and I kind of want to get back and pull back a little and just do some broad, these are really cute, and that is it. That's the theme, okay? Cute. So if I thought it was cute, it made it into the video. So we have 6 categories for this video. One of my videos with more categories. We have accessories, decor, bags, sets, and stuffed animals, and miscellaneous for everything that doesn't fit into those categories. As always, everything I say is listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into our first category, which is accessories. So for the accessories category, we have this really cute crocheted cat scarf, okay? It's giving tapestry crochet. It's giving perfect gift for your friend who has a bunch of cats or just loves cats in general. You can also make these really cute cat paw gloves, fingerless gloves. I promise everything I'm showing you is not all cat related. I just think cats are cute, so those ones made it into the video. You can also make this really cute bunny ear bonnet. I love this one, and it's definitely on my to be crocheted list. And you can make some bear inspired headphone covers. Super cute. And that's all I have for you for accessories, so let's jump into our next category, which is decor. So for decor, clutch your pearls, hold your horses. I'm about to show you one of the coolest, cutest, unique crocheted pillows I've ever seen. It's literally an animal cracker, or an animal cookie, the sugar animal cookies. Oh my gosh, as a crochet pillow. Okay, make that. Literally make that. I want to make that. I'm probably going to make that. If you don't want to make that, you can also make these floral curtain tie-back vines, or these really cute bee flower coasters. No matter what you make, it's going to be cute and you're going to love it. And if you're anything like me, you're going to post it on your Etsy to try and sell it. As we bring it into the year, it's time to start thinking about your goals. Maybe you want to start an e-commerce business. Maybe you want to get better at posting on social media, like me. Whatever your goal is, lucky for you, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare has everything you need to go from passion to paycheck, or even just seed your side hustle. So whether you want to build a subscriber base for your email newsletter, use AI tools to increase your productivity, or open your first Etsy shop, Skillshare can help you get there. Skillshare has classes led by industry pros who have walked the walk and an active community of members ready to cheer you on. One of the learning paths that I'm really interested in taking is the social media expression create for Instagram and TikTok, because although I've kind of figured out how my YouTube runs, I'm still struggling with Instagram and TikTok and kind of getting those up off the ground. So I'm excited to learn from this path specifically and create successful Instagram and TikTok posts regularly. But if your goal is to open an Etsy shop for the new year and get a jump start on your crochet business, you should check out Building an Etsy Shop That Sells, Strategies for E-Commerce Success by Parker Guard to help you reach success within your business. So if you want to go from passion to paycheck, then Skillshare is giving the first 500 people to use my link in the description 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Did you hear what I said? The first 500 people to click my link in the description will get their first month of Skillshare free. So now that you have all the tools you need to get your Etsy shop started, you need to start crocheting some cute stuff. Like these really cute animal coasters, okay? You can make a bear coaster, or a duck coaster, or even this white duck coaster, or even this little teddy bear coaster, okay? Super cute. I love these crocheted coasters. And that is all I have for you for decor. So let's jump into the crochet bag category. So we have a lot of cute ones, no surprise there. But we've got this really cute strawberry bag pattern. You can even make a cute shark bag pattern. You can tell I sprinkle a little shark pattern in here. Every time I do a video, there's at least one shark pattern. So there's our shark pattern. You can also make this really cute like tulip sun scenic bag, or even the wiener dog tote bag. Okay, super cute. You can make this cat bag, or the Snoopy bag, or this dragonfly bag, which is just giving very like crunchy hippie, you know? It's giving cute. It's giving Little Bazaar, if you know that brand. You can make this picnic blanket kind of style crochet tote bag. And that is all I have for you for bags. Our next category is sets. So things like play sets or sets, basically play sets, but as an adult I have made or I'm going to make some of these, so they're not necessarily just for children, but here are the sets I have for you. So we've got this cute little mouse sleepy head. You can make a tea set, which is insane, but if you have the time and the energy, why not make one? So you can make this tea set. You can make a guinea pig or like a kitty play set. You can make a pig and a pigsty play set, or even this cute little like sleeping baby with a bunny rabbit stuffed animal set. You can make this bundle that looks like it has like mice with clothing options. You can make the traveling mouse in a traveling mouse suitcase. I have made, and I've made plenty of them because I sell them on my Etsy, but I've made this a bunch. It's a super fun, super beginner friendly pattern. You can make a baby in like a cradle with a bottle set, or even a fun like heart-shaped waffle play set too. That's all I have for you for sets, so let's jump into our stuffed animal category. So for stuffed animals, you can make a sleepy cat, okay? You can make a snail, or even a granny square chicken. I've made a square chicken before. So easy to make. So granny square chickens are super fun, super fast. You can make a cute tiny mice. You can make, oh my gosh, those remind me of these like baby rats I held in high school. In my anatomy class, my anatomy teacher had a rat and it had a bunch of little babies and they had like no hair and they were so tiny. That kind of reminds me of them a little bit. Anyways, you can make tiny chameleons. Adorable. You can make loveys in like all different kinds of animals. Loveys are basically like a stuffed animal. It's not stuffed. Like only the head is stuffed. So you could make loveys. You can make a long lanky monkey like this stuffed animal. You can make a snuggly bear, or even this snuggly bunny. Or you can make this bear that kind of reminds me of Paddington because he's wearing a raincoat. You can make a blobfish, or even a little cuddly mouse. You can make a dinosaur, obviously, or these long, lanky, striped animals. You can even make this really cute lying bear. I would name him Depression Bear. He just looks sad, but lying bear, or even this cute little, I think that's a sheep. I think it's a sheep. Or you can make some bears, foxes, things like this shaped. This creator has a bunch of like animals all with a similar build. I've done the bear pattern before and I really liked it, so I definitely recommend that one. But those are all of our stuffed animals. So let's go into our last category, which is miscellaneous. So for miscellaneous, we have these really cute starfish baby costumes, or like sleeping bags. I don't know what they'd be called, but onesies, I guess. That's what it says, onesies. So onesies, you can make some cute little crocheted bugs, or an outfit for your guinea pig, or even this really cute flower bookmark, or a miniature bookshelf, or a leaf sprout cable tie, or this whale like mini traveling tissue case. Or you can make photo card covers, like these really cute photo card covers, even if you're not a K-pop fan and you just have like Polaroids and things. Super cute. And that is all I have for you for our 50 really cute crochet ideas. Okay, as always, everything I said is linked in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. If you're looking for the picture I used, they're all on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked in the description box below. If there's a crochet idea video I haven't done and you want to see me do, please leave a comment down below. I will totally add it to the list and I will get it done, okay? If you want to follow me over on Instagram, Instagram, I've been doing, I'm going to start doing monthly giveaways. December's monthly giveaway is over, but if you want to get in ahead for January's giveaway, definitely go follow me over there. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.